Hello and a warm welcome to everyone across the globe. We should be underway very shortly. The players will be with us any time now. My name's Peter Drury and here's my co-commentator for the game, it's Jim Beglin.
Thanks, Peter. Hello, everybody. Ready to see what unfolds in this one now.
We can have a look at them now. So it's down to business here. Done very well to intervene. Spoon forward. He's had a go! Great build-up. It all deserved a better ending.
Yeah, the ball in there was simply superb. He won't be too happy that it's gone to waste like that. Well, that should set them on their way and get into a nice rhythm. The early signs are very encouraging now.
No, that's not the ball he wanted. Floats one over. Idrissa Gueye. Looks to slip it through. Goes long and forward. Idrissa Gueye charges in. Strong challenge, but well within the laws. It's been intercepted, and that will come to nothing. Aimed forward, and it's Grealish. Tries to get it forward quickly. Ball's come loose and the chase is on. Grealish. Battles to win it back. Plays it out to the wing. Struck first time. Good challenge, he just stood firm. Out to the flank, cuts it out. Danger averted for now. And he's certainly caught him there, it's a free kick. Keeper's got good distance on that. And it's Grealish. Gets it upfield. He's made sure that that won't get through. Grealish. It's a good-looking cross.
Well, what was required then was a little more patience. He didn't have to cross it so early.
Change to the score, 0-0 it remains. Pushes it out wide. Out to the left it goes. Brought forward. What does he try from here? Whistle's gone, that's a foul. And he's going to have his name taken. Is coming thick and fast. It's another set piece. And the finish! And that's caused a worry or two.
Well, if he hopes to do better than that, he's got to work on his technique and his timing. The contact wasn't right there, so there wasn't much chance of success.
Poorly directed kick from the keeper, he's given it away. Oh, good interception. Looks like a good ball through. Can he find a finish now? And he's there to hoof it away. Thrust towards the front line. Just the goalkeeper to beat. He's off on a marauding run. He's done very well to get to that.
He made that look really easy, Peter, but I can assure you that wasn't a routine save. He had to be very switched on there.
Plays it out to the flank. Tries to dink it in. Has a pop! It's in! Oh, high quality goal. Lovely first touch. Sumptuous second. Deadlock broken. It's 1-0.
Well, just listen to the reaction. I think you can hear the approval from the support all around the stadium.
That's a throw. Decent progress down the left. And that's another throw. Is it in? Oh, the keeper's done ever so well.
Well, I can only add that he's got reflexes that are in perfect working order, Peter. That was very good to watch.
Has a swing at it! Ball's loose, who's getting there? You can get that clear. Lacking in accuracy.
Well, he caught that one right on the meat. Cracking effort.
Another piece of really good defending. Now the pass. Passes it through. Away from immediate danger. And it's Grealish. Grealish with the ball through. And he's made certain that won't get through. Grealish. Gets it back. And the half-time whistle goes. How do you look back on the first 45 minutes?
Well, you can debate, Peter, whether they deserve a slightly bigger lead because they've created the majority of the chances. But they are in front for a reason, and they'll be confident of cementing that from now.
Leading 1-0 at the break.
Well, 1-0 may be good enough, so they may err on the side of caution and get more players behind the ball instead of running beyond it. They could even try to spoil it from here, we'll see.
It's a brilliant interception. Up for the header! Clearance and very necessary. Decent attempt, but not quite good enough.
I think when you're in front of goal like that, you really should do better. That's a poor finish in the end.
And he's there to cut it out. Tries a long pass towards the front. Plays it long. Now it's Grealish. Grealish unable to make it happen for all his good intentions. Ball needed to be better there. It's a wasted chance. Lofted into the middle. No, he couldn't get the direction he needed.
Yeah, and he probably didn't get the cleanest of contacts there either. You know, I think he went for too much power with his header.
Tries a through ball. Cross deflected over the goal line for a corner. Come back to the keeper. So still just a goal between them. Now the pass. They really are proving themselves to be solid all over the field. He's going to have to tune his rangefinder before the next one. It's a good run down the left-hand side.
Everton have opted to really stretch the game now.
Yeah, that's pretty evident, but what's their thinking?
It looks as if the opposition are happy to defend the width of the 18-yard box, trying to remove that compactness.
And it's Grealish. Gets his foot in there. That's the sort of defending that is going to upset the opposition. It already has, actually.
Yeah, and the fact that he's registered, Peter, simply encourages more attention of a closer nature.
Another header, but again the same outcome.
How hard can it be to time a jump with the right contact? It's not that difficult, is it?
Boots it upfield. Turns and goes back. Well, he should have done better, and he knows it.
Well, with this guy and the talent he's got, you know he's probably going to try his luck from there, but that one he didn't really get right at all.
That's a poor kick by the keeper. He's just given it straight back. Passes it through. Grealish. Looks like a good ball through. It's put paid to a promising move. Oh, well intercepted, really alert to the danger. And he's straight offside. Grealish delivers. Not the worst cross in the world, but still room for improvement. Looks to slip it through. Now here's the through ball. Well played, he saw that coming. Well positioned to make that interception. A very fortunate escape indeed.
Well, those are the kind of mishaps that all players experience through their careers. A mistake when you least wanted it, and it's just very annoying.
Who's going to make this theirs? Tries to stroke it through. He's gone for it! It's a loose ball. He's going after it. Aimed long and direct. He's still going. Where to next? I have to say, that was an exemplary tackle. Stopped him dead in his tracks. Grealish. Just a few more moments for them to hang on. Really didn't have enough to concern the defence. Doesn't get the pass he's looking for. Idrissa Gueye tries the route one option. He'll have a dip! Really well taken goal. We thought it was over. It's all square once more. Swift, incisive, deadly, all done in a matter of seconds.
That's just brilliant counter-attacking football, and as soon as possession was theirs, it triggered a move of devastating speed that was just too hot to handle. I think you have to admire his willingness to keep plugging away, but the manager has done him a big favour, I think, by taking him off. You know, he was looking very, very leggy.
All square again into the dying minutes. Now the pass. Green. Referee looks at his watch and blows his whistle. A very good game of football. No winner, but both sets of fans have got their money's worth. Fine entertainment, and it ends all square. So what do you take away from it all, Jim?
Well, neither side could get over the line here. Perhaps one team might be happier, but at the final reckoning, it's honours even and no complaints.
Well, that's it for tonight's match, so it just remains for me to thank Jim Beglin alongside me and to wish you all a very good evening.